Hello everyone, and welcome to your core workout. So when I first started teaching fitness classes, this was the first class I taught. It was called Awesome Abs. I was actually at the University of North Carolina, Wilmington. So I'm excited to bring back some of those components, but also what I've learned now about the core and ways that it can be more functional for your body and for whatever you want to do for your stomach. So making it much stronger, as well as our shoulders when we're working through plank and some other movements. If at any point your back hurts, just rest. If at any point it's too hard, please feel free to take a break, but also push yourself. I might take breaks as well and encourage you along the way, so do what you can. And if you want to do more, always feel free to pause the video and then practice that movement. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope that we can all develop a really strong core today, and then hopefully it'll be a little sore tomorrow. All right, everyone, we're gonna get started on our backs to start to warm up the spine. So reach your feet down and then lay on your back. From here, place your hands behind your head and then exhale, crunch. So you're just gonna lift and lower very slowly, and then just start to notice your stomach getting a little bit warmer, okay? This is the easiest part, so I hope that you're enjoying it, and that as you lift and lower, you're becoming more aware of your body. Now, keep your elbows wide, and as your head lifts up and down, I want you to notice if you're pulling on your neck, and if you are, soften your hands. So they're not gripping your head, they're softly lifting. Good. From here, we're gonna keep doing this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then on 1, we're gonna stay lifted. Go ahead and raise your feet, aligning your knees with your hip flexors. From here, we're gonna lift, reach, back, and down. So it's 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So lift, reach, back, and down, up, up, lower, lower. Lift, reach, back. Let's do 4 more. So lift, reach, back. 1, lift, reach, back. 2, lift, reach, back. 3, 1 more, lift, reach, back for 4. Head lowers, exhale, push your feet to the sky. Good. From there, we're gonna gently allow our knees to bend to our chest and then bicycle twist ourselves side to side. So again, try to allow those elbows to stay wide, and then as you twist across the body, you're taking your tricep hopefully to the outside of your leg. Now, some of you may not be able to touch your leg with your elbow, and that's okay too. All right, so as you're bicycling, I'm lifting the opposite shoulder blade off the ground, and I'm moving through. 10, twist. 9, twist. 8, twist. I'm starting to breathe heavy. Twist. 7, twist. 6, twist. 5, come on guys, extend those legs, press through your feet. Good job, side to side. 1 more, twist one direction, 1 more the other, and then exhale, release your head. Good. From there, extend your feet back to the sky, and then raise your arms. We're going to reach up and down and up and down. So kind of back to that warm up, except this time our legs are extended. Now, if your neck hurts, you can support it with one hand and just reach with the other. Totally fine. Again, you're not just picking up your head, you're picking up your shoulders. You're reaching. We're also forcing our feet straight, which is making the back of our legs work. For 10, 9, both hands if you can, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna grab our legs, rock yourself up to your butt, and then to boat. So pick up your feet, lift your chest. So some of you are gonna be right here holding on. Some of you are gonna be able to lift up. Some of you are gonna be able to reach your arms out. Doesn't matter where you are. And just hold. So isolation now, hug your knees together. From there, you're gonna take your hands, bring them right to the center of your chest. Twist, 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 twist. Good, keep going for 8, twist, 7, twist, 6, twist, 5. Good job for 4, you're halfway there. 3, almost there, 2, and then on 1, hold it. Good. Now, hands behind your back for support. We're gonna push our feet out and pull them in. Push and pull, push and pull. If that's too hard, you can just allow your legs to barely bend. All right, let's do 8 more. So 8 and in, maybe halfway and in, out and in, all the way if you can. 4 left for 4. You might be shaking, I'm shaking. Last 2. Maybe this is your little one, and 1, plant your feet. Good job. So now that we've done a lot of work on our back and seated, we're gonna go ahead and flip to our hands and knees. From here, we're going to allow ourselves to come and do high plank pose. Okay, so you're gonna notice in high plank that you're gonna engage your shoulders and a lot of your body. So from here, just hold. And as we're holding, we're breathing. So look at your pelvis, don't allow it to sink down. Keep it lifted and strong. Stay here and then gently start to bring your knees into your chest. Slowly, 1 at a time. I don't want you to find speed because I want you to stay strong in both hands. For 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze those legs. Bring it in, bring it in. Good job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees. Lay on your side. Okay, so you're gonna face me laying on your side. Doesn't matter which side because we're gonna do both. And then you're gonna slowly take your bottom arm down to the ground, palm flat. So notice my belly button aligns with my hand. Other arm over the head. Exhale, reach for the outsides of your feet and lower. That's a hard option. Maybe bend your knees and come up. It's totally up to you, but keep moving whatever you're doing. Now, as you're doing this, don't allow that top leg just to lift. Both legs up and down. Let's do 8 more. 8. Lower. Again, option 1. Knees bent. Knees bent. And I'm using this bottom arm to help me. 4 left. 4. Reach. 3. Reach. 2. Last one. Good job. Sit on up and center. We're gonna do plank facing the other way. Okay? So rotate on your mat. Hands flat, arms engaged, push back. Now instead of our knees coming right into our chest, we're gonna open those hips. Bring them out wide. Twist, twist, twist. Work into those obliques. Twist, twist, twist. Good for 8, 7, 6. Hold it if it's too hard, okay? 3, twist, 2, twist, and 1. Plank for 3. Push those arms straight. 2, drop your knees. Lay on your side, face me. From there, take your hand down to the ground and your feet come forward, same thing we did before. So we're not in a straight line, you've brought your feet forward. Inhale your arm over your head is down. Exhale, option 1. Option 2. Option 3, really sit up. Good job. Keep it moving, so your choice. Keep that lower option or make it bigger. 8 more. So lift. Really feel your effort here. Breathe. Hopefully you're a little bit sweaty by now and you're starting to feel your core. Let's do 4 more. 4. Bend those knees if you need to. 2. Good job. And 1. By the way, sometimes my count is off, and if it is, it's going to be okay. All right. From there, let's go ahead and come back onto our butts. So have a seat. We're gonna gently roll down into our backs. So it's gonna feel really nice when we roll into our backs because it's gonna give us a nice little break. Good. Press your feet to the sky. Now, I love these exercises because they really start to feel different parts of the stomach here than you would feel doing a normal sit-up. So we're going to elevate our butt off the ground and bring it right back down. For some of you, that's gonna be very hard. So if it is, you're gonna place your hands on your lumbar spine, bring your legs up, and then kind of use that to help you. Now, if that's too easy, don't use your hands. That's my goal for you, is no hands. Lift and lower. I'm going straight up and straight down. I'm not coming over my head, all right? Lift and lower, lift and lower. 8, 7, 6, right up at the ceiling, push. You should feel your stomach a lot. Find that work for 5, 4, almost there, 3, 2, and then 1 more is 1. Plant your feet. Full sit up. Inhale, reach. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, roll down. Now your feet, try not to lift them up. Keep them down. All right, inhale up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. Let's do 4 more. Inhale, reach. If this is too hard, take that first option. All right, right here. 2 more. Up and down, and then 1 more. Up, reach, 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 and then lay back down. Good, hands come back behind your head. Back to the bicycle, but a little different. So elbows to the sides, knees bent. 3 twists to one side, then we switch. So it's opposite elbow, same elbow, opposite elbow, twist. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, opposite, same, opposite, opposite elbow, same elbow, opposite. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 more on this side. 1, 2. Last one on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Feet down. Good work. Let's sit up. We're gonna find forearm planks. You're gonna drop down to your forearms. All right, so from your forearms, as your hands come down, I want you to really engage your stomach. You're almost done. Please stay with me, all right? Lay those forearms down. From there, look at your fingers. Make sure middle fingers and elbows are in alignment. And then slowly come up. Start to engage your stomach here and breathe. Inhale and exhale. At any point, maybe drop your knees. We're gonna drop our hips right and left, either on your knees or lifted. So left, right, and just shift, and shift, and shift, and shift. Take a break here or lowering your knees. So keep going. So as you're dropping your hips, left side, right side, left side, right side, I want you to feel the work, okay? 8 more. 8, 7, 6, twist, twist for 4, 3, 2, hold it. Use your stomach. Whew, drop those knees. Good job. Quick break if you need to break. Otherwise, from here, we're gonna shift to side plank, okay? So you're going to face me. Doesn't matter which side you're gonna do, because we're gonna do both sides. Lay your forearm down, elbow and finger in alignment. Top leg is in front of the body. Bottom leg is behind. Option 1, knee down, right here, okay? Option 2, you're going to allow yourself to slowly stagger those feet, raise your top arm. That's too hard, hand to hip or fingertips in front of you. Stay here or add your dips. Lift and lower. Let's do 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Hold it, hand to hip. Release your butt. Let's shift to the other side, all right? Forearm comes down. So notice, try not to fall into that shoulder. Stay strong. Option 1, keep that knee here as we dip. Option 2, top leg goes forward, bottom leg goes back. Arm up or on the ground to help you or on your hip. When you're ready, lift and lower. Good. Feel the work in your obliques. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and release. Good work. We're gonna finish in a high plank, so our arms straight, and we're gonna hold it, all right, for 1 minute. You can do this. Ready, set, and go. So, engage your core. Keep your body strong here, and breathe. If you need to, maybe you kind of shift forward and back. Maybe not, and just notice how you feel. Let your elbows push forward. Soften the elbows, okay? Keep your fingers spread wide. You're 15 seconds in. We're almost there. Maybe you drop your heels to one side, take a little break. Drop your heels to the other side, take a little break, but you're still in plank. Come back to center. Good job. Press the ground away. You're almost there, halfway. So stay strong and just breathe. Try to lift your chest forward and then look at my feet. Push them back, all right? Try not to bend your knees. Press. Less than 20 seconds. You got this. Now lift from your stomach. Feel your body super strong here. Stay with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You made it. Knees down. Awesome work, guys. You killed it. Hopefully you feel it. Hey, maybe go back to the beginning and do it again. So get 2 of these done in one day. Who knows, depends on your body and how you feel. If you have any questions about any of the core work, please comment below. Also, any other core work you want to see, let me know. I'm happy to share with you. I will definitely have more videos for you soon for your core. Have a great day.